Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily delete TikTok videos all at once easily. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store just to make sure we have the TikTok app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly, and basically at least have one of the newer versions, none of those very old ones, because TikTok sometimes changes things around. Anyways, now let's go ahead and open the TikTok app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. As you can see, I don't have many videos here, but if you have many videos, you can still follow up with me from here. Anyways, if you want to do it the traditional way, you just tap on the video and then tap on the three lines in the bottom right part of the screen. Scroll right here and then find delete, and then you can delete the video from there. This method is perfect for wanting to delete one video or two, but if you have hundreds of videos that you want to make disappear from your profile at once, go ahead and tap on three lines in the top right corner, and then from here tap on settings and privacy. Basically, you need to go to settings. Now previously it used to be somewhere down here. You need to go to activity center, and then you find the option that we're looking for under activity center right here. Now, since TikTok changes things around, it did change this one as well. So in order for you to be able to delete all the videos at once, you go to settings and privacy, and then from here tap on manage posts. Then from here again tap on manage post visibility. And right here, let's say you have many videos, you just tap on the circle right next to them to select them. Once you select all of the videos, tap on next. And just like that, from here, change it from everyone or friends to only you, and then tap on update. And just like that, all of these videos that you have selected will disappear from your profile and no one will be able to see them but you. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.